So we are live at Michigan Hair Restoration. We are 1 year post-op. This is the pre-photo and the post, just phenomenal results. But our gentleman is here. So how are you doing today?
Doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing terrific too.
Good.
So we're going to just take a look at your hair. And so can you tell me a little bit about your experience at Michigan Hair Restoration?
The surgery went great. Everyone was friendly. Had a great time meeting the staff, and I thought everything was done really professionally. Everything went smooth.
Okay.
Year later, getting a lot of compliments. Going great with the ladies.
All right.
I mean, solid flow. I was a stud before, but now I'm dynamite.
All right. So I'm going to show people, what the back of your head looks like.
Okay.
So people, that had the strip method, you see this scar when they come out of the ocean or a pool. There's no scarring at all.
Nothing.
You can't tell where the hair came from, which is terrific. That's the whole idea. And I mean, you've got flowing hair at this point in time.
That's solid flow.
Yeah, so it's really nice. And what are you doing at home?
I'm just using the drops that you gave me, and they've been working great.
So that's 82M, which is a solution that combines Rogaine with a few other topicals to help with the hair growth. And did you see hair growth right away?
It took a little while.
Okay.
I mean, after a couple months, you kind of waiting around to see what's going to happen, and then it starts coming in, and people are like, oh, wow, this is a real deal.
Okay. And any difficulty with showering afterwards, with bathing? Was any difficult pain afterwards?
Not really, not at all.
Okay.
I mean, I followed your instructions with the baby shampoo, and everything was no issues, really.
And when do you think you started seeing the majority of growth?
I would say probably 6 to 9 months in.
6 to 9 months in.
Yep.
And we're at 1 year now, so as I told you, you'll continue to see growth at this point in time. And then we spoke about other things you can do, including PRP and Nutrafol as well. But, things look great and just amazing, the changes that we're seeing for you. And again, where you were beforehand, too.
It's crazy. It really is.
Well, we are thrilled and we appreciate your time. And we can't wait to see the hair and the growth even further in the future. You have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. B.